What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. First, little disclaimer, I might sound a little nasally or like something's going on, or if I have a cough attack, well, I am sick. I'm at least coming off from being sick. I don't know, I feel like my body's been trying to fight it this whole entire time. I literally have not been sick in like 3 years, and that is no joke. So I know when you're pregnant, your immune system kind of isn't as strong. And like everyone around Christmas time was actually pretty sick. So I think I may have gotten a little bit of it. So I kind of got some little respiratory something going on. So if I have a cough attack, you know why. But it's the new year, and I want to get out as many videos as I can, and I want to stay committed like I promised myself, and just stick to the days that I normally post. So anyways, in this video, we're going to go over week 21 and 22 of pregnancy. I feel like I have a lot to share with you guys and a lot to show you guys, and I want to show you her little profile, her little face. And if you guys didn't know, yes, I'm having a girl. I'm sure that most of you know. Like, can I say it one more time? How annoying. I'm having a girl. I was right all along. I knew the minute I got pregnant, I was like, it's a girl. I just knew there were signs from God, and I just felt it, and I just knew. So I'm right. And you guys know I'm competitive, and like everyone was wearing blue at our gender reveal, and I was like, besides my mother-in-law. So anyways, besides the fact, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, since I have like so much to tell you, I feel like I am just gonna kind of get through this because I want to show you some clothes I bought and her ultrasound picture. Like I want. What are words? Oh my gosh. Okay. And I want to show you her ultrasound picture, and of course measure the belly. I have not measured the belly in like 2 weeks. So if this thing has not grown, I don't know what's going on. So anyways, week 21 and 22, they were kind of the same, so I'm kind of just joining them. This is kind of what was going on during Christmas time, during the holidays, and that kind of stuff. So the one thing that I noticed, the biggest difference is round ligament pain. So let's see. My mom arrived the 19th, and we went for a hike like the 20th or something like that, and I was fine. Not that bad around ligament pain. And then on Christmas Day, we went hiking again at the same spot. Like it wasn't anything like a really bad incline or nothing like that, because they were kind of accommodating to me and everybody's sickness. So it wasn't that bad, but boy, it is like knives, just like wasn't fun. It wasn't fun, but I powered through because I was like, I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to give up, because I knew how long the hike was, and so I didn't want to give up, but I was worried about the way back, and it definitely got worse on the way back. Like everyone's like a mile ahead, and I'm like way back there with my husband. He stayed with me. Oh, what a cutie. But that's what spouses are for. So it really hurts, and I'm realizing that now, even on the elliptical, something that isn't that like hard, you know, I mean, you can make it hard, and I feel like I kind of overdo it sometimes. Like I've talked about a lot, and it's kind of starting to hurt as soon as I get off, and I have to like kind of bend over for a second, and then it goes away. But it might be time to kind of take like a step back and just kind of like slow down, get a workout in, but maybe not like to that full like intensity of, you know, what I'm trying to do. So might just need to drop them kind of a little bit, and maybe the resistance, and just kind of work out for my own mental clarity instead of trying to like reach a goal, because I'm not trying to reach a goal right now. It's just how my mind works. I'm very, very competitive. I've been noticing sometimes it's just getting harder to breathe when I am doing things like coming up the stairs for my apartment or anything like that. It's just like, baby's movement is just becoming more and more active, and now knowing it's a little girl, it's just so exciting. I don't know if I've mentioned, but my husband has felt the baby move, so I thought I'd just mention again, even if I didn't mention it before. He has felt the baby move, and it's really cool. He's like, it's so light, and like, because it's not like super strong yet, obviously, but it's really cool. It's just an amazing feeling, to say the least. Heartburn and acid reflux, girl has become not so great. Yesterday, not last night, the night before, so I was still in week 22, I had to sleep kind of with my head up, because I literally could not put my head all the way down without feeling like I was literally, everything was just going to come back up. And I don't know if it's with being sick too or anything like that, but the acid reflux, I guess. Not really heartburn. I haven't really like experienced that a whole lot, maybe like a smidgen, but the acid reflux has really gotten me, and I'm realizing it's when I eat dairy or chocolate or spicier things that aren't so good for you. So that was the worst I've ever experienced. I had to get up a few times and I was peeing all the time anyways, so, and just like chug a bunch of water and like breathe and just relax, and then finally I fell asleep and then I just didn't realize it. So that was good. One thing that is just becoming like more and more gross to me is red meat for some reason. I ate red meat before pregnancy. We had prime rib for Christmas, and I normally like love that. I had like a smidgen of a bite. I don't really like to see ground beef be cooked. I don't even like the smell of it or anything like that. It's just disgusting. Like, I love hamburgers, but I guess when I go somewhere and I know it's like a really good like hamburger joint, like somewhere that's really good, I will eat a hamburger, but I just can't see it or smell it or anything be made. Like, I love steaks. We even went to my brother's restaurant. It's called Famous Steakhouse, the Famous Steakhouse here in Colorado Springs, and it's a very expensive place. We went there for Christmas Eve, and my intentions were to order a steak because, duh, you're going to a steakhouse, order a steak, right? Well, no, I was like, not feeling it, and like, so I got lobster. I don't know, and I love steak, but I just, for some reason, cannot get myself to eat it at all. But also the last thing that is kind of random, but I just feel like a lot of people don't talk about it during pregnancy, but your nipples really become bigger. Like, I know this is kind of weird because it's so random, but I was just like kind of noticing it like darker and bigger. So if your nipples are doing that, like, it's okay. My boobs have taken longer to grow, like my stomach has taken longer to grow, and I hear that's common within your first pregnancy anyways, but I'm just like, man, because now my boobs are kind of like starting to pick up. Obviously filled with milk I am now today on week 23, first day, but it's been happening the past few weeks, just getting bigger and more veiny and just a little heavier, and I was just noticing the nipples a lot more and things like that, so I was like, I just want to mention this to everybody just in case they're like, what is wrong? What is going on right here? And I know that can be an insecurity to a lot of people, but hey, it's a part of pregnancy, it's a part of motherhood, it's a part of something amazing that you're doing, you're growing a human, so what? So anyways, so week 21, baby was an endive, like whatever that is that like a lettuce? Because that's what it looks like to me. But an endive. So 10.5 inches and 12.7 ounces, week 21. Pretty much the baby is working on its digestive system, and if it was a girl, she's already got a lifetime of supply eggs, which she's a little girl, so she's got a lifetime of supply eggs down there, about 6 million of them. But, and they also said at week 21, the OB will start measuring the baby from head to heel as well, which I noticed in the anatomy ultrasound. And it said the nervous system is becoming more sophisticated during this time. The nerves and the bones in the baby's ears are developing, so sound outside the womb are becoming more distinct. And I've been realizing that. And week 22, baby was as big as a coconut. So this was last week, 10.9 inches and 15.1 ounces. It says the baby has more developed eyes and lips, and that's so true because I could see it like on her profile and stuff. It says that the baby is sleeping in cycles of about 12 to 14 hours, which the kicks aren't that strong yet. And like I've said before, like it feels like she's like kind of just deeper down in there. Sometimes, like I told you, it feels like it's near my butt and still pretty low. Baby was breached last time at the ultrasound, which is pretty common. They do flips all the time right now. It says the baby has eyebrows at 22 weeks. So she's growing them brows and lashes. I really hope she gets my husband lashes, but don't we all hope that? Because guys, for some reason, has better lashes. So it also just talks about baby's hearing, and it's just becoming stronger and stronger week by week, which is awesome. So that is kind of what the baby is doing in there around week 21 and 22. So now I figured I would show you kind of what she's looking like. At the anatomy ultrasound, everything was absolutely perfect. I measured still on time. Maybe 2 days later, May 4th, I still say May 2nd because this girl's gonna come when she wants to come, you know? I don't make the calls, so she's gonna make her appearance when she wants to make her appearance. So this is her little profile. So cute. Little button nose and like her lips just like but the way she was sitting in my stomach, she had her, one of the arms, I think her left, was up like by her mouth, like looking like she was sucking on her thumb or something, and her right arm was like back like this, and her legs were like way above her head. That was kind of funny. But so she was like folded pretty much like this, which was interesting to say the least. She had her legs wide open, ready to let everybody know she was a girl. So but everything was good, everything was measuring great, all the femurs, her heart looks good, and just everything was amazing. And I cannot thank God enough for just giving me a healthy baby girl and letting every ultrasound and appointment just go absolutely amazing. And I just feel extremely blessed. My blood pressure was the lowest it's like ever been when I went, so I know that working out and what I'm doing is definitely working, and just staying not so stressed and giving it all to God and things like that. It's been amazing. It's been a really good journey so far. I'm a little more than halfway through, so I mean it's like 4 months now and this little girl will be here, and I get so stinking excited, more and more excited every single day. Now I think it's just kind of hitting me a little bit more, so I'm really excited for that. But I wanted to show you some clothes that I bought her. My baby shower is next month in February 24th, and I'm kind of in the middle of planning it, but I have two amazing friends that are like taking over for me, and once again I am so blessed and so excited to have friends who are doing that for me. So I'm just excited for that. But I did buy some things literally the next day after I found out. Me and my mom already planned we were gonna go the 24th, so Christmas Eve, go get some stuff because I just wanted to have a little celebration and get some things, you know? So my mom bought her a few things and I bought a few things. So I got these headbands actually like last weekend because I just could not resist. They were on sale, so I got a pink one and a blue one at Babies R Us because yeah, they were on sale and we were doing our registry. But you know, these probably wouldn't be there in like a month, so I had to get them. I got all of these at Target actually. My mom got her this cute little like fuzzy bomber jacket. Like what? She's gonna be styling. Like so cute. Little like rose gold zipper. Like I die every time I see that. This little like froggy onesie. This one is newborn. That one was like 0 to 3 months. This one is newborn. I'm only gonna buy like a few newborn things, which I'm not gonna buy anything anymore until after the baby shower. But so cute, little froggy and like polka dots, like another little onesie, and this one is 3 months. It's little giraffes and it's pink and has little like giraffe like little feet, and yeah, just so cute. Like I don't know, I want things that are like giraffes and like frogs and like elephants because I feel like everyone does like bears or lambs. I want like those kind of things, you know? And she got these cute little like pants. They're so cute to go with that little like bomber jacket. I love diaper butts and I cannot wait to see her cute little diaper butt in this thing. Like I'm going to die, you guys. Like I'm seriously going to die. I bought those headbands that I showed you, and I got this little like cupcake onesie, which this one I think is 3 months. Yeah, 0 to 3 months. Little cupcake onesie, and then these little like peach pants to go with it. Like, so cute. I just need like a peach like bow headband to go with it, or white, like whatevs. And then I got her these cute sweatpants. My husband was like, what is that? Like, does she need a pocket? Like, yeah, she does. I got was another just onesie because I feel like they live in them during the first few months. This one's 0 to 3 months, but it's just another little onesie that has a little tutu butt. So cute. So I'm super excited, and it came with like little socks as well, but it's just adorable. But let's go ahead and measure this belly. I don't remember. I know that I did not grow. I think the last update that I did for you guys, No, I was 37 inches. So let's just see if my stomach decided to grow. So we grew 1 inch. I'm 38 inches as of 22 weeks. So that's exciting. But yeah, so that is what has been going on the past 2 weeks with pregnancy. There will be one more pregnancy video just on Tuesday because I really want to just like catch up and get back like in the like once a week things, so that it's not like playing catch up all the time, just so we're organized in 2018, you feel me? So next week I'll do 23, and after that then I'll be back to like the regular, like Thursdays won't be anything having to do with pregnancy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I just want to thank everyone for like all their like love that they've been sending me from when they found out it was a girl and when I found out and all that stuff. And I just feel so blessed to have such like a community of like really just wonderful women and moms and all that good stuff. And I'm just excited for it to continue to grow and to see what 2018 brings all of us and go through all of it together and stuff like that. So anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to follow my social media as well. And I hope you guys had a great New Year's and great holidays and spent it with all your loved ones and are just moving forward in 2018 and setting goals for yourself and conquering them and just becoming the person that you want to be in 2018. But I hope you're having a good 2018, and I'm excited to share everything with you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video. We're just gonna cut it off here because what are words today? I don't know. But I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.